Alright, well, here I am. I'm going to do a sound test on this bike. Check out that exhaust. Make sure, got some crap on it. Yeah, I'm going to do a quick sound test, see how it sounds. Hopefully the sound will come through. I'm using a GoPro Hero 7 with the adapter. Kind of see here. See, adapter, and I have a dead cat on the inside. So hopefully it'll pick up that sound and get a good example. Hopefully the video will come through, the sound will come through real good, so you guys can get a good representation of what it sounds like in my helmet. Alright, drop that visor. Hoping these sound clips come through. I went with this exhaust. Definitely gives the Ducati's L-Twin a little bit more personality. Sounds a lot different from what I've seen from Turbignoni, Aero. I was gonna get an SE project, but when I found this, it was just way more affordable. Not that I wouldn't love an SE project, but honestly, I feel that the sound that comes from this Vance Hines definitely fits the character of this bike anyway. say between the Café Racer and the Flat Tracker, I think, the black and yellow one. I think this pipe definitely lends its aesthetic and sound to the way that these look, the Cafés, and I want to say the Flat Tracker. Definitely more of a muscle bike sound, kind of more deep, throaty, and aggressive. But yeah, sounds good. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull off. Check this tire real quick. Let's continue. Wait till this truck passes by. Come on, baby. Love country back roads. Look at all that. Beautiful. never did release the video for my review on this bike. I need to go revisit that. Yeah, honestly, for the price, if you have an 800 Scrambler or a 797 Plus Monster, this isn't a bad exhaust to get. It's affordable, sounds good. It's way more aggressive and obviously American than the European exhaust, but I kind of dig it for this style of bike. It looks good on the Cafe. It kind of matches the aesthetic. I love the sound. I'm a big fan of 1960s, early 70s muscle cars. Well, I'm really hoping that that sound came through for you guys. If not, it was a good ride for me. Time for me to go home and make some ribeye steak and some Brussels sprouts. 'Cause I'm hungry. I will say though, if you're doing long distances, the bike will resonate. It'll start to feel more like a Harley Davidson, and that it wants to like shake itself apart. But that's only RPMs about maybe 5,000-6,000 consistently, and that's only on really long trips. It starts to feel like the bike is shaking a lot, but other than that, it's pretty manageable. And the sound isn't bad. I love it. Sounds good. She rides good. Definitely a lot lighter than the stock exhaust. What's going on here? Well, I guess some words of wisdom would do some good, right? Alright fellas, treat the ladies in your life right, you know, unless you know, the ladies are your crazy mother and your mother-in-law, in which case do what you must.